Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 2027 BYD Titan X6, and I'm going to cover everything from the exterior and interior to performance, technology, and price. This is a complete review, so stay tuned until the end. First, let's talk about the exterior. The Titan X6 has a futuristic, bold design that really stands out. Up front, there's no traditional grille, just a clean, aerodynamic design typical for electric vehicles. The LED headlights are sharp and sleek, giving it a strong presence on the road. The front bumper and light lines are designed not only for looks but also for aerodynamic efficiency, helping the car move through the air with less resistance. Moving to the side, the long wheelbase and smooth character lines give the SUV both elegance and a sense of motion, while the wheel arches are slightly flared for a more dynamic stance. Overall, the design is not just visually appealing but also functionally efficient. Looking at the side more closely, the flush door handles and large windows enhance the clean, modern look. These features reduce drag while giving the car a sophisticated presence in urban environments. Large wheels come standard, adding visual stability. At the rear, the full-width LED taillights mirror the front styling, making the car appear wider and more substantial. The tailgate is simple yet elegant, with the BYD logo at the center and a sculpted bumper that gives the rear a distinctive character. Now, stepping inside, the interior is futuristic, user-focused, and comfortable. Sitting in the driver's seat, you immediately notice the large digital instrument cluster and horizontal infotainment screen. The touch interface is fast, intuitive, and designed so that you can operate it safely while driving. BYD's latest electric SUVs also feature smart interfaces, sometimes with rotating or adjustable screens for a more interactive experience. The center console is well thought out, with a wireless charging pad, cup holders, and other convenient features. Materials include soft touch panels and high-quality leather, giving it a premium feel. The seats are comfortable even for long drives and have electric adjustment features so you can customize your seating position. Rear seats are spacious enough for adults to sit comfortably, and the trunk offers ample storage for daily use or family trips. Folding the rear seats expands the cargo area, making it versatile for luggage or recreational gear. The infotainment system supports modern connectivity like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the cabin also has ambient lighting that adjusts to the time of day, creating a luxurious atmosphere. Small details like rear USB ports, phone holders, and storage compartments make a big difference for convenience and usability. Moving on to performance, the Titan X6 is expected to have strong acceleration and torque, as you'd expect from an electric SUV. Similar BYD models feature dual-motor setups with 0 to 100 km/h times that can be surprisingly quick, while battery capacity allows for over 400 km of real-world driving range. The battery is likely to be an LFP blade type, known for safety, longevity, and efficiency. This setup ensures stable energy output for city driving, highway cruising, or long trips. Fast charging is also expected, with around 20 to 30 minutes to reach 80% from 10% with DC fast charging. The handling is stable thanks to a low center of gravity and well-balanced suspension. Cornering and acceleration feel controlled, and regenerative braking allows energy recovery without constant brake use, improving overall efficiency. These factors combine to make the Titan X6 feel both fun and confidence-inspiring to drive. Safety is another important aspect. The Titan X6 is expected to come equipped with ADAS features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. These systems reduce driver stress on highways and long-distance trips, making it safer and more convenient to operate. Now, let's talk about price. Official pricing for the Titan X6 2027 hasn't been released yet. However, BYD usually positions its SUVs competitively within the market, offering strong value compared to similar models. Recent BYD SUV launches have ranged from roughly $40,000 to $50,000, depending on trim and features. Incentives and government subsidies could lower the actual purchase price, making it an attractive option for those seeking a high-value electric SUV. To sum up, the 2027 BYD Titan X6 appears to combine striking design, premium interior, strong performance, advanced safety, and competitive pricing. While exact specifications are yet to be officially confirmed, BYD's track record suggests this model will be a strong contender in the electric SUV market. For anyone looking for a family SUV, long-range vehicle, or cost-effective electric vehicle with premium features, the